Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla. Welcome to another video on the Unbiased Blog. Today we are at a wonder park. A wonder park that is different. This is Waste a Wonder Park, where the 7 wonders of the world are here, but they're made out of junk, they're made of material that has been scrapped. And as you can see, we're standing outside the Colosseum from the Rome, and it's one of the wonders that have always stayed along. And now it's time for me to show you another wonder from Tecno, the Tecno Camon 18. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and unbox this smartphone and see what comes in the box. Now let's talk about the product specifications of this smartphone. In terms of display, you get a 6.8 inches of FHD plus dot-in display with a resolution of 1080p into 2460 of resolution, 120Hz touch sampling rate. In terms of peak brightness, you get 500 nits of brightness. In terms of aspect ratio, you get a 20.5:9 screen aspect ratio. You get a 48 megapixel AI selfie camera with f2.2 aperture and a dual flash. In terms of front camera features, you get eye autofocus, super night mode, AI beauty, AI portrait, ultra HD, wide selfie, AI scene detection, HDR filters, 2K video, video bokeh, video beauty, AR shots. In terms of rear camera, you get a 48 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus AI triple camera with f1.79 aperture and a dual flash. In terms of rear camera features, you get super night mode, intelligent focus mode, AVOS mode, AI portrait, AI beauty, ultra HD, HDR filters, AI body shape, 10x zoom, Google lens panorama, AI scene detection, burst shot, 2K video, video bokeh, video beauty film, AR shot, short video, time lapse and slow motion. In terms of battery, you get a 5000 mAh of battery with 18 watt Type-C charger. Talking about the software, you get iOS 8.0 by Tecno based on Android 11. In terms of processing power, you get MediaTek Helio G85, octa-core 2.0 GHz CPU, Mali G52 1 GHz GPU. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you top 3 reasons to buy the Tecno Camon 18 smartphone. So the first reason is a 48 megapixel sensor. Well, not just one, but 2 on the front and the rear. So there's no quality loss, there is no pixelation, there is no differentiation of the photos because you're primarily clicking with the 48 megapixel sensor, whether you're clicking from the front, from the rear. Because we are the selfie generation, we are the millennium generation, we're using our front cameras more than the primary cameras. Especially all those face filters that we see on social media that changes your face, do a lot of things, a lot of AR and AI happening on your face. Well, with 48 megapixel front camera, that remains the same as you would have clicked it with your primary 48 megapixel sensor. And making use of all that RAM, all that processing power and great set of camera is the feature that Tecno has added. The AI cam, the video mode, the film mode, that makes you a champion of social media. In the film mode, you get sports, party, beats, performance, travel, vintage, all these things have been set for you. So once you click on any of these themes, it's like an editor working for you 24/7. You capture photos and videos, it adds music to it, syncs it to the beat, and makes your social media champ. The second most important feature of this smartphone is the virtual RAM technology, or VRAM, which means expandable RAM. Yes, this phone comes with 4 GB of RAM, but you can also expand it by 3 GB and get a total of 7 GB out of this smartphone. Now this makes a lot of sense because you get great set of cameras, great set of processing power on this smartphone, so why not virtual RAM technology? So with that, you can use your Instagrams, MX Takatak and whatnot, all those apps that require a lot of RAM, and when you get that annoying pop-up that the RAM is not enough or memory is not enough, you should not be getting that anymore on this smartphone. Further to that, you can also expand the storage on this smartphone. You can expand it up to 512 GB of storage with a micro SD card, and that's beside the 2 SIM cards that are already in the slot. So 2 SIM cards at the same time and memory card up to 512 GB on this smartphone. Now to the top 3 feature of the Tecno Camon 18 smartphone. That is a super feature. Actually, it's named Super Night, and that's why it's a super feature. We were at the Waste of Wonders Park and it was late evening. We thought, well, the job is done now, we can't capture anymore because it's really dark and it's all backlit now and we won't be able to capture the best of what we see. But to our surprise, we got the best of pictures in the Super Night mode. Well, here is the demo because picture speaks louder than words. I'll shut up and show you the pictures now. So that was our video of the Tecno Camon 18 smartphone, another wonder from Tecno. Well, the video isn't over yet. You can win the Tecno 18 smartphone and the TWS. All you have to do is follow the instructions in the description below. All the best. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Vlog.